My 2-minute conviction today is when you face opposition, fly higher. I love the eagle and all that we can learn as leaders from the metaphor of the life and flight of eagles. But one story in particular is that when a crow attacks an eagle and it climbs on the back of its wings and it sticks its claws in and it pecks the back of the eagle's head, it doesn't turn around to fight its attacker. Instead, it just stays on purpose. It flies higher. And as it reaches the greater altitudes, the crows lose consciousness, let go of their grip, and they fall to their own demise. But the eagle continues on its journey, its ever upward journey. And this is a great lesson for us as leaders. We can burn so much energy and resources trying to defend ourselves against opponents when really we should continue true north. We should stay on purpose. We should keep flying higher and let the criticisms take care of themselves.